Hey guys, it's me, Nolan, and this is Kids Cooking with Nolan. Today, I would just like to give a shout out to my very nice golf counselors at Applewood Golf Course. Visit them; they're really good summer camp. They also do you can go there golf with your grandparents or your parents just for fun, but they also have a summer camp. And I would like to give a shout out to JJ, Landon, and Chloe, and all of the other golf camp counselors there. And today is a very exciting day because we are going to start the guest series for the channel. And the person that I chose for the first one has been really wanting to do it. And we are very close, like literally very close. We live next to each other. So give it up for Paisley Greenbaum.
Hi guys.
How does it feel to be on this and be the first one to
I'm
do
being
it?
scared.
Yeah. So I know most of you are probably still in quarantine. So I very much encourage you, all of those guys out there, to stay inside, be safe, wear a mask, wash your hands, and just get through this happily. So today we are doing Snickerdoodles, and they're a really nice cookie. So let's get started. First, you will need 1 1/3 cup of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 stick of butter that is softened, a 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. That is for the cookie dough. For the toppings, you will need 1/4 cup sugar and 2 teaspoons of, wait, does that say? Yeah, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So let's get started. So first, you are going to stir the flour, baking powder, and salt. I know this is how small it is, so you don't really want to put it in there. That was a little too much, but okay. We are going to just cream the butter, like just make it like a cream type thing. Make sure to lock it. It would be very bad if you didn't. And now let's let that sit for a few minutes. It already smells like dough.
It does.
Okay. And you are going to next add the sugar. And beat in the egg. I already got the egg in. Now, here's the thing about cracking an egg. Try not to get any shells in it, because if you're like making scrambled eggs, you really don't want an eggshell in your scrambled eggs. Nobody likes that. So, yeah. You want to turn it up a little, that's fine. But I'm going to turn it down so you can hear me. Next, you're going to, just stop it. Well, first of all, if there's anything up here, you want to do that. And then mix it up again. Just for a little. And then you are going to add the flour mix. Just add it. But make sure you get all or most of the flour mix into the mixer so that it doesn't taste any different than a normal Snickerdoodle. And you want to stop it sometime just to... Okay, we're going to let it sit for about 30 seconds. Now that we are done with that, now we are going to roll the dough into about 1.5 inch balls wide. So, kind of like this. So now that you have your 1 inch cookie dough balls, now it's time to do the mixture. So for the mixture, you will need 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna roll the ball into the mixture. Just roll them, like just roll it until it's fully covered, like this. Then set it back down on your tray. You ready? And do that for all of them until you have no more. And space them out for the next direction. Okay, so now comes the hardest part of the process, in my opinion. Now you have to smash the balls with a cup. You don't have to do it hard, just lightly smash them. And then the oven will do the rest. So just lightly smash them, one at a time. That's okay if it, because they're just a bit off. And you want to make sure that you spread out your balls before you do this, because then they will cook together. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you don't have to push down hard, just lightly. Just so lightly. Paisley, do you want to do the last 8? No, 9. Not like, see, you got the right idea, Paisley. You know what I'm, like, just lightly push them down. And if you don't do it a lot, the cookies will end up fatter, which I like. I don't know if you guys like it, but some of you do. Comment down below if you like fat Snickerdoodles compared to the really thin ones. Comment down below if you like that. Okay, now we're done. And so when you're cooking it, you will want to preheat the oven to 375. That's normally what it is for a normal oven. And
for 7 to 10 minutes.
Yep. So
the longer, the crunchier, the shorter, the softer.
In the middle, perfect. In some people's opinions. Mine. Also, comment down below what you like the best. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. I hope they turned out very good. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe and like. And comment down below if you have any good ideas for cooking video that I should do. And maybe you could be in a cooking video if you, after coronavirus is done. So, as always, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. These
Bye,
are
guys.
Good.
They're really good.
I'm done.